Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will show you how to transfer photos and videos to Files app on iPhone. Here's how it is done. Step 1. Open the Photos app. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone and find the photo or video you want to move. Step 2. Tap Share icon. Now tap the Share icon. That is that little square with an arrow pointing up. Step 3. Choose Save to Files. From the Share sheet, scroll down and tap Save to Files. Step 4. Select Folder. Choose the folder where you want to save it. You can pick iCloud Drive or on my iPhone. Totally up to you. Then tap Save. Step 5. Check in Files app. To confirm, open the Files app. Go to the folder you pick, and there it is. Your photo or video is now saved. And that is everything you need to know about how to transfer photos and videos to Files app on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.